to, naku, ito na yung parang tahanan ng Panginoon. So parang naiisip namin, Ma'am Jess, na naiyak ako.
Okay lang, love. Sige, alam ko mahirap po para kay love ito dahil...
Lord, kung ito na talaga yung oras ko, okay po.
Nandito po ako sa Tacloban. Buhay pa po ako.
And found a handful of people right away. I mean, everybody we talked to has lost somebody and is literally searching for somebody. One woman searching for 3 of her children. Another woman has already found 3 of her children dead. She's looking for the other 3. Her husband is dead. She pointed me to their bodies.
Villagers running scared, telling a local reporter many are dead where they just come from and that there were armed rebels. The passenger shouts that a lot of people are dying and help is needed, while this woman says she's afraid of the prisoners.
Mga kapatid ko rin sa Manila, Malabon, Kuya Sisig. Hirap na. Kung maka-oras kayo, pumunta kayo dito.
They're gone. They're all gone, he says.
Mama! Ano ba nangyari sa akin to, Ma?
I don't know why this happened to me.
Para sa mga kamag-anak ko na sa Maynila, ako na lang ang natira. Mga anak ko nawala na, pati asawa ko.